Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me for fall. I don't really do a lot, but I do want to kind of decorate my kitchen a little bit, and I also want to update some things in my master bedroom as well. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how. So I'm going to go ahead and get started in my master bedroom first. I'm going to start with dusting the furniture before I make any changes. And I'm going to use the Pledge furniture polish to dust everything down, and I think it's in the lemon scent. I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now. Never get out. And I'm just using my Method glass cleaner to clean the mirror off. Makes cleaning so much easier when everything has a great scent. So I'm just putting everything back now. See it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, so here I had changed out the lamps. I put in new lamps, and I'm just trying to figure out how I want everything placed here. And that lamp used to sit on my husband's nightstand, and I just decided I wanted to change out the old one that was sitting on my chest of drawers and use that one. And y'all, that lamp was giving me the business. I could not get that little thing tight to save my life. So here I'm just going to go ahead and change out the pillows. I had gotten 2 new pillows that I wanted to put in those chairs. I actually changed the cover on my chair, the one that you see me fixing there. There used to be a white cover on it, and I just put a brown cover on it. And in that chair, there used to be a brown pillow there, and it was just kind of blending in with the chair. So I wanted to just brighten everything up. So now that I've made all my changes, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum to kind of complete that space. And this is what it looked like before. And now this is the finished product. It looks so much better. Without your love, I am out of place.
all I did was change the lamps and the pillows and the cover on my chair. And then here on my dresser, I changed out the greenery and added the 2 orchids. And it just gave it a completely different look. I didn't do much to my entertainment center. I just dusted it and cleaned it off. And kind of repositioned some things that were sitting down there. But I love the way my bedroom turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and get started cleaning in the kitchen, wiping things down before I make any changes in there. That's my son taking out the trash. He looks really happy to be doing that, right? I'm going to go ahead and shake out the rugs so I can go ahead and get those in the wash, and they can be washing while I'm cleaning the kitchen and wiping everything down. So I'm just washing some dishes. I had cleaned out my refrigerator and I just wanted to go ahead and get those washed and get those dishes put away. Such a satisfying feeling to clean my sink. This is one of my favorite things to do when I'm cleaning my kitchen.
You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Your body wrapped around me, good and strange. You got me looked upon it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep.
The rugs were done, so I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the dryer. They can be finished by the time I'm ready to put them down.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close.
Okay, so I bought a couple of things from the Target dollar spot, and I'm not quite sure where I want to place everything. I'm gonna try to stick to the colors of my kitchen. So let's see. Couldn't believe these little pumpkins, just $1. So I'm gonna see what I can do with everything. Got this little picture here. I don't know if y'all can see that. This says Welcome Autumn. Got that from the Target dollar spot. So I'm gonna try to place everything somewhere in my kitchen. I'm not quite sure. Some of the things around here. I'm also gonna be switching out my my soap here, my dish soap, and my hand soap. And I'm gonna be switching out the dispensers from what I have. And I think I'm gonna change out this greenery as well. I got another one here. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna change this whole setup and just add a couple of other things around here. So all right, let's do it.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close, and my heart fills up with butterflies. And then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down.
I got that little hand soap there from Marshall's, and it's a Halloween decoration, but I needed a hand soap for my kitchen sink, and I like the way it smelled, so I just added it here into my other dispenser so I can have a hand soap and a dish soap as well.
Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Wanna tell you how I feel instead of keeping it all inside.
And this is what everything looked like once I was done adding my little touches of fall.
I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around.
I didn't do much, I just kept it really simple.
When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. Always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. You are all I need now.
Okay, y'all, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.